Welcome to a new video, guys. Welcome to Big Bang Crypto. In this video, I'll make a short update on what we're up to in our subscriber group, what we're up to in our bot group, what we're doing with these moves that we're seeing right now. I've set up a test account, which I told you guys about in the last video, which I was willing to share all my trade history and all my trade setups with our trading bot group. Also, I've been sharing the tables that I've been using to generate these profits together with the setups that I was taking. So let's go over what has happened in the last couple of days. Guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We'll bring out a lot more content over the coming period, and I think we have some of the coolest content out there where we combine our technical analysis with trading software to automate our trading as much as possible. All right, so let's go to the charts channel, because I think we've been well doing really well in these last couple of moves, which of course also translates to profit, guys, because walk the walk. No, it's opposite way. Talk the talk and walk the walk, right? So we're going to show you guys this in a second here. So what happened was actually this particular move here. The orange line is something I always discuss with our users, and what we can see here is we get a perfect retest of this orange line, which results in an absolute breakout of the range that we were forming of the downtrend that we were forming actually, and this one perfectly. Like I even warned you guys before it was going to come here, like, okay guys, we're approaching it, get ready, right? I wanted to give you guys a little bit of time, and what do you know, we get a nice little bounce from this level. Today another one, we get first to this line, get a bounce, basically reject, go to the orange line, get another bounce, reject again. This is where I told you guys, let's take out some exposure, because we were just longing the dips, right? For the last couple of days, it was very simple, long the dips. And if you're exposed to a short, make sure that you basically get in on a fake out and put your stop loss right above your entry. So basically minimize your risk, because you're not trading with the trend. Okay, so I'm explaining all these things while we are trading the charts. And here, this is the moment a couple minutes ago, which I can also show you guys, where I said basically let's decrease some exposure when we break the 21 EMA, blah 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 blah. Here I was still at a pretty big exposure, because this account is a $500 account that I started with. So being long 1x basically is pretty it's a decent amount of exposure that you're having towards the market, towards price movement. So decreased exposure here based on price action. Want to see a bit lower, letting TESS improve my position. So basically I took some of the long off manually and reset TESS to buy me the dips. All right, so here I give the level that I was waiting for, right? So I have my fibs pulled, and I'm basically giving the level of 48.4K, right? Explaining why, so you also get my the ideas behind my trades. And I made this update, and what do you guys think happened? Well, of course, we had a really nice bounce from this particular area. It was great that we took out some exposure on this VWAP retest, and basically a rejection from the VWAP brought us down to our level that we were interested in. We got another really nice bounce from that level, which is perfect. And absolutely amazing, honestly. Like, we've been trading the uptrend perfectly. We've taken some shorts during this trading, and I've also shared one of my shorts in a video. And currently just longing this region here. And let's go over to the bot. I wasn't here when we touched my area, so I didn't take any manual long. This is basically what the bot has basically accumulated during this move down. But as you guys can see, their daily realized P&L is $16.20, which for a $500 account is, in my opinion, very nice. You can see that my leverage doesn't go very high. I try to keep it below 5, and most of the times it's below 2 even, or 3 maybe. So we can go to the trade history of this account, because I think it is very interesting to show actually how the trading goes, and I've done this multiple times, and I'm willing to do that for you guys just to make sure that well, I'm sharing all the information that you guys would be interested in order to decide if this is something you want to try out potentially, right? So this is the P&L. We're currently all nearing 10% P&L. And as you guys see, this is my trade history, and we can go pages back, and it's all like 90% of it are limit orders, and yeah, just a lot of them. And well, that just adds up, right? So to give you guys an indication, there is currently 6 people using our trading bot. So I can have a look at, so over the last 4 days, we've been trading with the 6 of us. So I can just easily open up the um, our database and basically request how many completed trades the 6 of us have done with our software. So a completed trade is an exit and an entry and an exit. So basically times 2 the total amount, and then you'll get the total trades that we have filled. And yeah, it's still the 6 of us trading. So let's see. Right, so 4 days, 6 people using a trading software. We're nearing 18,000 trades, guys. 18,000 trades, and I can assure you that none of us is using more than $1,000 on their account, right? So and we're doing 18,000 completed trades. All our trades are completed only if they're profitable. All right, so think about 18,000 completed trades, and we only complete a trade when it's profitable. We wait for our profit targets, or minimum, we do a break-even trade, but we do it with limit orders so that we basically end up with a profit. Right, so that's pretty insane for the 6 of us in here to do basically 3,000, nearing like almost 1,000 trades per user per day. I think those results are fantastic, and I'm closing in on 10% profit on this account. And the cool part is, guys, because we're also taking I think I opened this page up for you to show, because we're taking so many good trades at the right levels. Of course, some of them get stopped out, but overall we're definitely profitable here. So I wanted to show you guys the following. Let me log in again. 1 second. So this is just a quick update. We'll do another video on how to create agent tables for the users very soon here. But I think this was worth mentioning because all of the trades that we were taking, like this entire time, following that orange line up, and it's not something new. If you go back in my Discord, in my chart Discord channel, you can basically go back as far as you want, and you'll always see the same lines playing a very important role. I could probably say that I'm in the top of the people with the most chart time in crypto, since I've been in crypto since about like 2014, 15, and all the time I've been focused on like trading and mostly on BitMEX. So I have a lot of chart time on BitMEX and now on Bybit. So that's what allowed me to pick the right lines to follow, right? Because if someone tells you, yeah, the 20 moving average is the line to follow, well, of course, you either have to backtest it and find out that it is, or you have to use it for a year or something and see like, okay, this is really an important line, and maybe an algorithm uses this particular line or whatever, right? So these lines are all I've developed over the years and removed the ones that weren't playing a good enough role in the market, and kept the ones that were playing a big role in this market. And yeah, that's paying off